The car is locked inside. So there are two bolts, this bolt and this bolt. You use this Allen key to unrelease this. So you unrelease this part here for the key. When you unrelease this part for the key, this part is released for the key. It has got, show this side, this thing here. It has got this thing here. This thing here is the one that moves the key in when you put your key in. So we want to lock them together. You have to marry them together, this part and that part. So unfortunately you won't be able to see what I'm doing. I have married this part here in, and it's connected together like that. Yeah, it's connected like that. Then bring them together up here, so they come together up. Yeah. So unfortunately I won't have enough hands to hold this out here. Yeah. Okay. I have to look. It came out. I have to put this thing in here. It's in here. Now I have to be careful whether to see myself whether I locked it in the right way or in the wrong way. So it's locked in. Okay. I have to pull this part here up until it connects this on here. It's a big job, very big job, very big job, very big. You see, seems like it came out. Why did it come out? Came out again. Came out again. Let's try to look at it. It's a very big job because you have to put both of them together. But I'm scared that I might put them in a way that it cannot lock the car in another way. But let's see. The car was locked actually. That's weird. The car is locked. That's so weird. Okay. So like this, before you lock your key, try and check if it can. The car was locked. It's locked. The car is locked already. So I am in this position. You see, is my thing in the right position? Okay, let me just put some bolts to secure these positions so that I don't dance too much. Okay, put this bolt here. The other bolt here. Okay, this is tighten a bit. Don't tighten too much. Tight a bit to hold position and check whether that thing is it in. Yeah, it's in here. Let's see why. It's like this. On the other side again. Look on this other side. Yeah. so that I don't lose my. Now like this, when you check, yeah, okay. The thing that we are fighting with is this thing here. That thing, it's skewed. It was, yeah, exactly. Went in. Now it went in. I'm happy. Okay. I have to tighten here. This one. I have to tighten one. This one is not straight. Take it out, make it straight. Make it straight, then I put it in. You must make sure it's tight in. Make sure it's tight in. Okay, let's see here. Okay, this one here needs to go in here. What? I made a mistake. Where's this thing? I made a mistake. Always make a mistake. Where's this thing? It went to the other side. So